This is Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group, and wow, what a bang to the start of the year, picking up right where we left off. News overnight out of China, fresh stimulus, really helping to prop their economy, certainly helping our market today, stocks to rally. Really, the outlook there is for improvement to the global outlook, and the economy in China picking up a little bit. And you look at the markets here, the Dow is on track for its biggest percentage gain in 3 weeks. S&P hit its 11th intraday record in 14 sessions. And you know what? The tech sector just remains on fire, whether it's due to U.S.-China tariff talks, and the positivity surrounding phase one supposed to be signed on July 15th. But man, tech sector is on fire. Also, the dollar recovering off the lows that it's seen, that it was right at 96, recovering a little bit. And then this morning earlier, we got some good economic news here. Initial jobless claims fell slightly to 222,000, near post-2008 recession lows. And we know the consumer is in good shape right now, and it has been all throughout 2019. We might start seeing the manufacturing sector maybe having bottomed out here. ISM numbers, maybe looking to the upside. If that happens, boy, this economy could be in full swing. Not any activity yesterday due to the holiday, due to New Year's, but Tuesday, ES option activity. About 497,000 options traded, 65% on the put side. Now, all of the most active options were the end of month options that expired at the end of month on Tuesday, end of December. But other than that, we've got end of week one, Jan 2775 puts, about 9,700 of those traded. End of week one, Jan 2800 puts, about 6,100 of those traded. End of week one, January 3260 calls, 4,400 of those traded. And the end of week one, 3255 calls, about 4,100 of those traded. Market move that the ES options are pricing in to tomorrow, end of day tomorrow, about $14. Out to next Friday, $41. Bitcoin, Tuesday, we talked about the fact that it could not hold 7,300 and what an important number that would be, and that the bears may come roaring in again. And certainly over the last 24 hours, they have. In fact, Bitcoin futures fell as much as 4% overnight. And they might be approaching or trying to test those lows that we talked about that Bitcoin hit just a few weeks back of about 6,500. This is the lowest level we've seen since mid-December. And one of the other things that we mentioned earlier in the week is when we've seen these lower bouts of volatility in Bitcoin trading, where the ranges, the intraday ranges have not been as big as they have been, and it's down to about 3%, which is the lowest in almost a year, that usually precedes a major move, one way or the other, but it usually precedes a major move, so watch out. Scott Bauer on the floor of the CME Group.